Can you build a gemology lab for under $1,000? My first piece of that has arrived, which is a cornerstone of a gemology lab, the microscope. And so I'm going to do an unboxing and set it up and test it out. The microscope from Gemscope is here, interestingly packaged. I guess they're being resourceful here, but let's go ahead and get this open and see what's inside. Ah, okay, looks like there's a more normal looking box inside here. Looks like a microscope box, I guess. There it is. Components and tools here for assembly, I assume. They've got the 20x eyepieces. You have the main part of the microscope here. The default ones are 10x. We've got the base that has the gooseneck light and all the little pieces we attach to. So let's get it assembled. Let me take a peek. Probably help if I took this off. This light going here. Nice. That is working great. Okay, I'll get some footage of just this dial up close with the 10x, and then I'll try swapping to the 20x. So this is just the default 10x. So there's some comparisons here. So this is what a normal jeweler's loupe would be like. I've got a gemstone I want to be inspecting anyway. So yeah, this looks about right. What I would see, like what I'd be cutting under. So alright, you can see what I would see under my loupe. Okay, I'm going to put on the 20x. On 30x will be crazy, but let's just see what the 20x looks like. As you can see under 20x now you can start to see actually the inclusions that are hidden. So the naked eye or to a 10x loupe. And just for fun and comparison for earlier, here is the dollar bill. Hell yeah. That's sick. All right, well, that's it for the unboxing.